New in stock, we have stock number 817. This is a Ram 3500 heavy duty turbo diesel. And as we open up the truck, we will see that the seats are in amazing condition. Everything looks great. You look at the back seats, they look amazing as well. We have our cabinets to store any equipment that we are in need of. This is where we can turn on our Venturo crane. It is able to extend out 14 feet. As we come to the back, we'll see that we have our bed, the backup lights, and as we move to the left, we have more cabinets, a diesel tank, and as we move inside the truck, we will see that it has 52,258 miles.